Okay, let us solve this question. The circle equation is provided as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square is r square, where r is the radius. So from the circle equation we know that 2 comma 9 is the center of the circle. So the circle will be like this. This is 2 comma 9, and radius is also provided. I mean, two extreme points on the diameter as provided are 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 14. There are two ways to solve this. The first way is just substituting one of the points in the circle equation. I will consider 2 comma 4. So 2 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 9 whole square is r square. I'm just substituting 2 comma 4 in the circle equation. This becomes 0 square plus minus 5 whole square r square. Minus 5 whole square is nothing but 5 square, which is r square. So our radius is 5. The second method is, we know that these are the extreme points on the diameter, which are 2 comma 4, 2 comma 14. So the diameter is nothing but 2 times radius. The distance between both of these points are 2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square under root, which is 10 square under root. So the diameter, which is 2 times radius, is 10. 2 times radius is 10. Radius is nothing but 5. So these are the two ways where you can solve the given question. You may adapt whichever you feel easy. Particularly the second one takes more time than the first one, so you can just substitute if the points are provided. You can just substitute in the line equation or the circle equation, and you can get the radius